Decorate your pumpkin, sweetheart.
Mama. Dada. Mama.
Yes. Camera. Mwah. You gonna draw on your pumpkin? You hungry?
Mother. Da. 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 Mama.
You want me to color your pumpkin? Help color your pumpkin? Ooh.
Da.
This is red orange. Color your pumpkin, color your pumpkin. Ooh, draw circles on it. You really can't see it because we're coloring on an orange pumpkin. Yeah, you can color the stem. See, you can color the stem. The pumpkin stem. You picked this pumpkin out yourself at the pumpkin patch yesterday, didn't you? Did you have fun at the pumpkin patch yesterday? Did you? Circles on the pumpkin. How's that strawberry?
Mama. Dada. Da.
Popeye.
Mama.
Jacob. Purple?
Mama.
Is that purple? Emma's favorite color? Circle, I'm drawing a circle. Circle, circle around the pumpkin. Circle.
Now.
Down.
Down.
All right, good job. Say bye-bye.